Dear students, in the previous lecture I had shared with you that for a public limited company which wants to issue the share capital to the general public or known as the public issue, it has to qualify to the four important stages. First stage is there which is relating to issue of the prospectus. Once the prospectus been issued, then the next three stages to be completed. Now those three important stages starts with the first called the application stage, second is called the allotment stage, and third is called the call stage. Now the application stage, here the company receive first the application money from the prospective investors who are interested to invest in the company. At the allotment stage, company make the allotment of the shares to those applicants who had applied, and in the call stage again the company collect the balance amount depending upon its requirement and the time. Please understand, at all the three stages there are two entries to be recorded. One is relating to the receipt of the money and other is relating to the when the amount becomes due. So we will call it them that the receipt entry relating to the money and second due when the amount is due. For example, at the application stage, first entry will be here for receiving application money, that is bank account debit to equity share capital or preference share capital as the case may be. In the question, sometimes it will be given to you that company had issued the equity shares or company had issued the preference shares. Whatever type of the shares are given, you have to prefix the word to equity share application or to the preference share application. If the equity or preference shares are not given, just it is given that the shares been issued, then you have to write only that is to the share application account. But please note, it is very important that you have to write the narration. Narration always had the separate marks as per the CBSE marking scheme. So narration comprise relating to the nature or relating to the entry which you had recorded. So first of all, at the application stage, first entry will be relating to the receipt of the application money. Entry will be bank account debit to equity or preference share application account. Now, when this amount is to be transferred to the share capital account, second entry will be recorded, share application account debit to share capital account. What it means? That the application money which is received by the company at this stage will become a part of the share capital. So the second entry will be there to equity preference share application account debit to, most important thing, share capital account. Share capital means whichever, whether equity share capital or whether the preference share capital. So you had noticed that at application stage we had recorded two entries. First entry is relating to receipt of the application money. See here in the narration you have to write, for application money received on number of shares, it will be given to you at the rate of rupees per share. Again the rate per share of application money will be given to you, and this amount will be secondly transferred to the share capital account, and that entry will be relating to the application money being transferred to the share capital account. Next stage is the allotment stage. Here again, at the allotment stage, the two entries will be recorded. Which two entries to be recorded? First, the allotment money becomes due and then it is received by the company. See here, a difference is there. At the application stage, first the company will receive the application money and then it transferred to the capital account. But at the successive stages, that is at the allotment stage and at the call stage, first the amount becomes due and then it is received by the company. There is difference at the application stage and all other stages. At the application stage, first there will be the bank entry that application money is received. Unless and until the application money is not received, it could not transfer to the share capital account. But at the successive stages, at allotment stage and at call stage, first the company will make the amount due on those shares and then it is received by the company. See here, at the allotment stage, when the amount becomes due, entry will be equity or preference share allotment account debit to equity or preference share capital account, and this is again with the number of shares on which the allotment money is due, and again at the rate which is given in the statement. After the allotment money becomes due, company will receive the allotment money, and again the entry will be bank account debit to equity or preference share allotment account. This amount being received as part of share capital, and how it is received as a allotment. So see here that in case of the application money, first will be the bank entry, but in case of the allotment or at the allotment stage, the bank entry will be second entry. First the amount becomes due and then it is received. Then there will be the stage of the call money, which is called as the call stage. Now students understand that it is the discretion of the company that company may collect its call money in any number of the stages. Stages means in different number of installments. Company may demand its total outstanding call money in one installment. Company may demand in the 2 installments. Company may demand in the 3 installments, depending upon the number of stages. At reference to the call stage, company may demand the call money. So whichever will be the last call, that will be called as the final call, or whatever the first call is, we have to write there first call. Entry will be again, see here, first the call money becomes due, you have to record the entry equity or preference share call account debit to equity or preference share capital account, and afterwards this amount being received by the company, entry will be bank account debit to equity or preference share call account. You will see here that after the equity or preference share, dots are given, call account debit. Again in the second entry, to equity preference share dot call account is given. Here in the dots, as I told you, that the stage of the call will be written. That is whether it is first call account, whether it is second call, whether it is third call, whichever will be the last call, we will write over there, that is the final call. So here you understood that how the entries will be recorded at the different stages. With reference to the call stage, if there are more than one call stages, then at all call stages the same 2 entries will be recorded, but the word will be different. That is first call account, second call account, third call account, and if whichever is the final call, we use the word final call account. So here we have to record the journal entries at the time of issue of shares with reference to these 3 important stages, and these different entries will be recorded. I will continue with the next part in the next video.